be looking at the topic of today, lions. Lions are large cats of the genus Panthera, native to Africa and India. Lions are symbols of strength and courage and has been celebrated throughout history. Lion symbolizes royalty and stateliness, hence are called king of the jungle. Lions are good decision makers. Lions are seen as very aggressive and competitive. They have traits as courage, strength, leadership, bravery, so on and so forth. A word to describe a lion is graceful. Now, why is God represented by a lion? The Christ Lord, the Lion of Judah, is a beacon of light, courage, bravery, agility, and dignity. Therefore, as children of God, we are not meant to be cowards.